Hello everyone, welcome back to JDCodebase web development series. If you are new here, this series is specially made for absolute beginners. So don't worry if JavaScript feels confusing right now. In the previous video, we learned what JavaScript is and how to write basic code. In this video, we are going to learn strings, numbers, and math. These are very important concepts because almost every JavaScript program uses them. I will explain everything slowly with simple example and we will write code together in the VS Code. So first we will understand what they are and then we will see how to use them in real code. In this video you will learn what strings and numbers are, useful string method, template literals, escape character, how JavaScript handle number, what is NaN and Infinity, and finally the math object. Don't try to remember everything at once, just understand the concept. Practice will make it clear. Let's start with the strings. A string is simple text data. Any word, sentence, or character written inside quote is a string. In JavaScript, strings can be written in three ways: single quotes, double quotes, and backticks. All three works. Backticks are special one. We will see why later. See it later. And let's move to VS Code and see the example of it. Let name equal to JavaScript and console.log name and run this 03. See, JavaScript works. It means it print the JavaScript name here, and here I created a variable called the name, and inside the double quotes I wrote the JavaScript, so this becomes a string. When I use the console.log, JavaScript prints the string here in the console. So remember, text inside the quotes, whether it's double quote, single quote, backtick, it must be it becomes a string in the JavaScript. So let's see the some JavaScript method. JavaScript gives us the many built-in method to work with the string. Methods are basically functions that already exist and help us do common tasks easily. Some very useful string methods are dot length to uppercase to lowercase, trim, includes, slice, replace. Don't worry about memorizing them. Let's understand them by coding. So first let's see. Let text equal to hello JavaScript, and notice there is an extra space before and after the text. This is very common in real data. So let's console.log text.length and let's run this. I get the 18 because the length tells us how many characters are in this string, including the space. So if you see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 18. So this is that's why this gives the 18 as the text dot length. And next is the uppercase, console.log text dot to uppercase. So if I run this, all the characters I means convert the string into the capital letters. And next is the trim, console.log text dot trim. So trim removes the extra space from the beginning and the ending. Like here, if you see the it gives you the extra space here before and after, but here it removes the extra spaces. Next is the includes, console.log text dot includes let's say Java. Yes, JavaScript includes the Java word, this text. So let's run this. This gives it true, either false, it return true or false. Console.log text.slice and means give the starting number, ending number means index of this. Slice cut the part of the string using the index numbers basically. So let's run this. So this give the hello because at the index h e l l o and till the n minus 1 means the 6 minus 1 5. So these methods help us clean, check and modify text, very useful in the forms and user inputs. Next is the template literals. Templates literals I use the backticks, not the quotes. Backticks is just above the tab in the keyboard, the above the tab key button. And so they are powerful because we can use variable inside the strings. We can write multi-line string easily. This makes our code cleaner and easier to read. Like if I want to write name1 equal to JD, let course is equal to JavaScript, and console.log backticks hello $sign and curly braces. See, this becomes the blue name, welcome to course. So when I run this, I get the hello JavaScript. Okay, I have to give the name one. Hello JD, welcome to the JavaScript. So inside backticks, in this dollar and curly braces is used to insert the variables directly into the string. This is much better than joining string with the plus. We can join them by using the plus operator by using this, but this is more complex. So template literals are used a lot in the modern JavaScript. Next is the escape character. Sometimes we want to use special characters inside the string like quotes or new lines. For that, JavaScript provides escape character. This one, this, and let's write. Yes. So let's see console.log hello JavaScript. And now I want to make this JavaScript into the double quotes. How can I do? Just write this and here also. Now, yes. Now see, this becomes in the double quotes here. And we can also use the means we cannot use the single quote inside the single, but we can use the double quote inside the single, and means opposite works here. Like my string is starting with the single quote, then I have to use the double quote inside this if I want to use. If string is starting with the double quotes, and then I have to use a single quote inside this string for using them. And one more is like console.log backtick or normal tick, normal quotes, line 1 /n, line 2. So let's run this. So if you see line 1 and line 2, /n moves text to a new line. Escape character help us the format string using string properly. Next is the numbers in JavaScript. JavaScript has only one number type. It can store whole number, decimal number, both the integers and decimal number, and JavaScript automatically handles the both by using one number. So let's see here. Let age equal to 25 and let price equal to 99.99, and let's console this age, price. So both are number, even though one has the decimal and one has the normal one, but both works here. Now let's see the number handling, means the number methods. So some numbers come as a string, like especially from the user input. JavaScript gives us the function to convert them by using this number, parse int, parse float, to fix. So let's see. So like I have a, let's say, let value equal to 10.5. Now console.log. If I write the type of the value, I get the string here, no issue. Now console.log type of number of value. So now see, it becomes the number here, number data type here. And console.log parse int, also use parse int value, and see again same number, no issue. And if I want to make it more decimal, means parse int must be remove the decimal one, remove the decimal from the number. And next is the parse float value. See 10.5. if I make it normal 10, then it's okay. Number means convert the fully into string into number, and parse int removes the decimal value, and parse float keeps the decimal value. So like if I have a number, let num equal to 5.696387, and I want only the two decimal of this number, num dot to fix, and fraction digit is 2. So let's see. So this gives the only two decimal, means round off the two decimal places. Very useful in the prices in the e-commerce site. So next is the NaN, not a number. NaN means valid numbers, invalid number. It happens when JavaScript cannot perform the math operation. Like if I want to try multiply string with the numeric one, so this does not make any sense. So JavaScript return NaN, like console.log abc multiply 10. So let's see, I get NaN, not a number as expected. Infinity means very large value. It usually happens when we divide by 0, like console.log 1 divided by 0, or console.log -1 divided by 0, anyone. I get the infinity and minus infinity as expected. So JavaScript does not crash, it returns just infinity as the output. Next is the math object. JavaScript gives us the built-in math object. We use it for the calculations, random number generator, square root, and many more. So let's see some common math methods are round, floor, ceil, random, maximum, minimum, square root, power. So let's see. Let's say console.log math.roundoff. Let me num. Again 5.696387. This gives the 6, means round off the value. If I write math.floor value of num, this time I get the down value of this, means 5. Round means the if the value is greater than 5, then it's take the upper value, like here 5.6 is the 6. And if I write the floor value, then it takes the down value here. And for the one more is the math.ceil. This take the always upper value here, like 6 as usual. If I write here 4, then see math.round just take the convert into the 5. Math.floor as expected the lower value. Ceil is the convert into the upper value here. Now very common in the real project we use. Next is the math.random. Math.random, it generates the random number between the 0 and 1, like 0.9016, and every time it generates a new number, 0.4, 0.1, 0.7. For write the fixed number means 1 2 3. I have to first multiply it by 10, then convert into math.round. Let's see, 8 3 8 3 3 8 6 4 1 8 means every time it just gives a new number. It generally means next is the math.maximum, console.math.max. Give the maximum value from the range 10 25 40 7 90. So this gives the maximum value. Like here I get the 90 is the maximum value. Here if I remove the 90, I get the 40 as the maximum value as expected. And also there is minimum value, math dot minimum 10 26 7 41. And if I run, 6 is the smallest value, minimum value, so this gives the 6. And last one is the square root, math dot square root of, let's say, 25. So as expected, 5 square root is the 5, 25 is the 5. So used in the game, calculation and logic. So let's quickly revise. String store the text data. String method help the modifying the text. Template literals make string dynamic, and numbers handle the calculation. NaN and Infinity are the special values. Math object give the useful math functions. So that is for this video. If you are your first time learning JavaScript, don't worry, confusion is normal. Practice the code, pause the video, try it yourself. PPT and code links are available in the description, so make sure to download them. In the next video, we will learn conditions, decision making, including if, else, switch, ternary operator. If this video helped you, like, share and subscribe to JDCodebase. See you in the next video.